Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammed Ismail Temazi and this is my short screencast for the CS50 Project 0. So I'll be walking you through my website and the source code of that website. Um, my website is pretty basic because I tried to code it from scratch, and my main focus for this project was to apply the learnings and not the design or content of the website. So the website is not that great in its appearance. So this is the main page of my website, and I've written a little bit about myself, and for the table I made the table of CSS selectors because it made them learning a lot fun. And this is the source code of the index page. It's pretty basic, and I'm sorry for the SCSS being completely white. I guess PyCharm doesn't recognize SCSS at the moment. Since the project my website wasn't that complicated, I was able to fit in all the SCSS in a single page. So these are the stylings of my table. I've used the concept of nesting over here. Moving on, my CV page is sadly empty. For my resume page, I use the image tag on this, and this is the picture of my favorite game, League of Legends. For the image tag, I had done some styling. Oh, so this is the example of using ID in the project. Moving on, is my project page, and I have written here about some of the projects I did as part of during my bachelor's in Nast University, Pakistan. And I've used CSS bootstraps component card to display the projects. They look pretty nice. And secondly, I've also used the mobile responsive CSS capabilities of Bootstrap to make them stack on each other when the screen shrinks, and the same goes for the navigation buttons on top. And these are not actually buttons, but in fact they are links which I've made look like buttons using CSS. And that's about it.